All right, 10 reasons to buy the EG4 3000EHV 48 volt inverter. Number one, it is extremely low cost entry into a 48 volt system where you don't have to worry about doing an upgrade later from 12 volt or 24 volt into a 48 volt system without investing in that larger inverter. Number two, it's an all-in-one design. So with a lot of the larger inverters, you get the all-in-one design where you're going to get the combining the pure sine wave inverter for 3000 watts, you're going to get the MPPT charge controller, and you're going to get the AC to battery charge controller all built into one unit. Number three, high voltage solar inputs. I can't tell you how many power stations or other devices like that where you have a solar input that is 60 volts or maybe 80 volts, but you can't really put any real significant power into it. With this one, you have high voltage power inputs, which operates between 120 volts and 450 volts with a peak of 500 volts operating voltage. Number four, 3000 watts of continuous output. And when I say 3000 watts of continuous output, this isn't like one of those Chinese inverters where you say it and you don't truly mean it. This is truly a workhorse that can do 3000 watts continuous. As you can see from the food trailer inversions I have behind me, when the food trailer is running at peak efficiency, it sits at 56, 57, 5800 watts. With two of these running in parallel, can run that all day long. Number five, 48 volt platform. Now, the nice thing about this inverter is you're not going to have to step up, lady, from a 12 volt or a 48 volt system. You're going straight to a 48 volt system with that barrier of entry from the first option, which is cost. So it's a good low cost barrier to entry for a 48 volt system. Number six, parallel and expandable. Up to 12 units can run in parallel. So if you find out you don't have enough power, you can add parallel units to this. You can expand up to 12 units or 36,000 watts. That is 36 kilowatts of power running in parallel with 12 units. Split phase and three phase capability. So running this in pairs of 2, 4, 6, 8, you can run split phase 120, 240 and provide your 240 devices also. Or you can run it in three phase, but you do need to run it in groups of 3, 6, 9, 12 units. Number 8 is compact and lightweight. And when I tell you this thing is lightweight, we're talking 18 to 22 pounds. It's the easiest, lightest inverter you've ever mounted. It's great for RVs and those type of devices where you have small, compact areas, but you still want that 48 volt system. This is what this is for. Closed loop with EG4 batteries and other batteries. This one does most of the standard protocols to run closed loop with your batteries, allowing you to control your inverter's operation based on that state of charges and operate your system based on perimeter set up with state of charge. And then number 10, simple controls and remote connectivity. It does come with a free dongle that allows you to connect to it and monitor it. The software is not great, but it's simple enough and easy enough that it's usable and you can have remote access without any additional cost. Those are my 10 reasons for purchasing and operating and using this EG4 3000EHV that I've got back here. They're very good inverters when they fit the need. If you're looking for something bigger, I'll put a link right up here for the 6000 XP and why you would want to purchase one of those. If you're looking to reasons why you shouldn't buy this inverter, I'll put a link down here when it comes out to 10 reasons why you shouldn't buy the 3000 EHV.